Today we're looking at a 2015 Buick Regal. It's got 34,000 miles on it. It's Quicksilver metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. It is equipped with sunroof. Driver's side looks good. Does have the rear backup camera. Make your way down the passenger side here. Exterior of this Buick is in great shape. No issues at all. 34,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Mentioned that it had only 34,000 miles on it. Just want to say this. It does have the balance of the factory warranty left, so it still has factory warranty. It is a 4-year, 50,000 miles warranty on the Buicks. Just want to point that out to you. But we got the black on black door panels, nice stitching in here, wood grain trim. You know, this metal trim piece here. All right, power windows, power locks, black leather power driver seat. Got the nice stitching in here. Driver seat leather's in really good shape. No problems at all there. It does have the console here that lifts up. Just wanted to show you this, but it's got the USB, all right, and a power outlet plug-in there. Okay, it does come with a keyless entry key fob, and the passenger seat leather is in great shape as well. Pan out just a little bit, let you see the sunroof. All right, it is an automatic. Got your dual climate controls. It's going to have your display screen there, backup camera. All right, leather wheel, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 34,299 miles on it. All right, now we got it started up. Go ahead and show you your home screen here. Let me shut the sunroof to knock some of that glare off. There we go. All right, got all those options available there. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and I'm going to show you the dual climate controls again. All right, you got one on this side and this side. Passenger can have it different from the driver, but it also has heated seats. I wanted to point that out to you as well. All right, got your CD player right there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather looks good. No issues at all. And the interior of this vehicle is well taken care of. 34,000 miles on it. All right, I'm going to pull this down and show you. It's got the convenient cup holders. All right, a little console area there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here is in good shape. Got the nice convenient cargo net. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you got back here. But it's a good bit of room. Let's take a look at your wheels and tires. Got, let's see here, 18-inch alloys. Plenty of tread left on the tires. All right, tires are still good. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Buick Regal, 34,000 miles on it, still under factory warranty. All right, really nice, well kept inside and out. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.